Hello and a warm welcome to your weekly technical update, your guide to the charts that matter this week. I'm Nadine Blaney. Well, in a headline-driven market, traders are urged to determine if their strategy works for the prevailing market dynamics. If not, they're being urged to step back until something changes. Given it is very much a headline-driven market right now, perhaps it's wise to look at the market on a longer-term perspective to see when and how dynamics may change. Here's Gary Glover from Novus Capital with his view on the ASX 200 index going forward.
If we go back and look at every fifth year and every post-election year, there seems to be some sort of broadening pattern and some weakness into the first quarter in probably around 90% of those years. So it just tells us here that we're probably we've had a couple of good strong years in the market, so just might see a little bit of contraction there. But good news is we typically don't see deep corrections in these sort of fifth year of the cycles and also the post-election years. They do tend to finish pretty firm towards the end of the year, but it does indicate to us here they're probably just likely to see a bit of a pullback there. I think we're looking probably around that 8,000 mark is a level there. I'm probably more worried about growth and financials there. They're probably the sectors that are looking pretty vulnerable there. We've definitely seen some heavy selling and signs of distribution in the last few weeks there.
Amidst the threat of tariffs and with China's MPC meeting ongoing, the miners have come under some pressure here. But when it comes to BHP, would Gary Glover be jumping in? Is this a buying opportunity? He says not so fast.
Just looking at the chart there, I don't like the fact that BHP's broken below $42 there. That's a bit of a key level there for it. Has been a bit of a support zone for it. So it's a little negative, the fact that it has gone through there. So I'd like to see it back above 42 before I'd actually jump in there. Just because we've had a pretty nice impulsive rally here and now a bit of a pullback. And look, the volume was a bit lighter there, so I think the setup was quite good there. But we've got a bit of a false break there last sort of Friday, and now we've sort of broken down here. So that's just telling me just to sort of sit aside here for a bit.
Well, gold has continued to outperform with expectations it will do so throughout the remainder of the year. So here's a chart of a small cap Aussie gold explorer that looks pretty good to Jonathan Takadina from MPC Markets.
It's one of those explorers that are working on older mines that were producing and just basically applying new technology to extract more value out of it for shareholders. So, and the thing is, it's not, they're not using AI or anything brand new. All they're doing is just doing a lot more drilling and a lot more scoping within the existing mine bodies. So they found two good hits there, and it's trading around the 188 million market cap. And I think if these good hits continue, I think this can certainly head higher, all the way maybe up to about the 500 million market cap. And they've got two other prospects as well.
And that's it for this week's edition of the Charts to Watch. Join us for more technical talk next week. In the meantime, happy trading.